Optimal performance, 130 watt, 25.1 InHG double vacuum pump for optimal performance. Ensures maximum air extraction when sealing larger food items. Variable settings, includes 3 settings, dry, moist and double. Plus, you can choose between normal vacuum pressure, or gentle, to keep soft foods safe. Easy lock handle, the easy lock handle makes one-handed operation smooth and easy. Double heat seal, optional double heat seal provides added strength and security when sealing liquid-based or moist foods. Built-in storage and bag cutter, conveniently stores any brand of vacuum sealer bags in unit, while the bag cutter helps to create custom bag sizes for your needs. Vacuum sealer bags included. 2 bag rolls are included to get you started, one 8.6 x 9.85 roll and one 11.8 by 9.85 roll. Perfect for Mother's Day gifts, the Nesco VS-12 Deluxe Vacuum Sealer offers all the versatility and performance you could ever need from a vacuum sealer. Choose from 3 seal settings, dry, moist, and double, then choose your vacuum pressure normal or gentle to keep softer foods safe. The built-in bag cutter and roll storage compartment with clear viewing window make this an all-in-one stop for keeping food fresh up to 5 times longer than traditional methods. This sealer can accommodate up to an 11.8 width bag, providing the versatility needed for a wide range of sealing jobs. 2 rolls are included to get you started, one 8.6 by 9.85 roll and one 11.8 by 9.85 roll. The Nesco Deluxe Vacuum Sealer is compatible with any brand of vacuum sealer bags. Top reviews from the United States. The best sealer we have ever had. I have purchased several of these vacuum food sealers in the past and most were returned because they did not live up to my expectations. And then, I saw this recommended on the Cook's Country show on PBS as being the best, and that is absolutely true. Super simple to use, even my husband can work the thing, straightforward controls, tight seal, great suction of air out of the bag. You can't go wrong with this machine. It cost a bit more than I was prepared to spend, but worth every penny. We buy in bulk and freeze lots of foods. I also cook extra food, seal and freeze for quick, easy to heat up meal weeks later. This is saving me time and money. No more wasted food. Some of the foods we have sealed include spaghetti sauce, shredded cheese, fruits, veggies, cooked meats, desserts, and the list goes on and on. I'm so impressed with this machine, so much better than the others.